Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Sunset double flat door today. Okay, so we're on the Sunset door today. This is the first door we're actually featuring with a metal handle with a deadbolt. A lot of people have been asking us for this. We relatively never did this before because we used to do this and then we just stopped for a while. But we're going to reintroduce it and see how it does. So this is called the Sunset. These are all solid picket rods that have been heated and bent and banged, well, hammered all the way to that point. A lot of handwork by a blacksmith to do all that. This is a 72 by 96 inch door, so it measures from outside to outside 72 inches, and from all the way to the top to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. This is an oil rub bronze door. So it starts off as a black door, and then we add bronze to it, and then we put clear coat over it. This is a low-E glass, which has a little bit of reflection, so it can reflect the UV rays, so it doesn't go into your house and destroy your flooring and rugs and furniture and stuff like that. And also keeps the heat out because it's dual glaze. Awesome door. I think it's a very elegant looking door. But let me flip this around and show you guys what the back side of this looks like. All right, guys, so we're on the back side of the Sunset door. Let me show you guys how this actually works. So if you have a deadbolt only, then there's nothing actually holding the door shut. Typically, that bottom, the thumb latch, has a strike that goes in and out, like your bedroom door or your bathroom door. So what we do is we add roller catches, which are these little things, and you adjust these guys out to actually keep the door shut while the door is unlocked. So it does the same thing as typically on a door. You'll have another latch here that comes out spring loaded, or when you turn the knob it comes in and out. That's what it does. On all these handles, we notice how it's a little bit different color. We put a lot of clear coat on these things so it lasts a lot longer. It will fade away as hands start rubbing against it. So if you get this, is totally normal. We just heavily put a lot of clear coat on it for protection. That's for your own good in the future. Let me show you guys how the glass opens up. You twist the knobs. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean all the scroll work. Also, all of our doors, you can add a screen to it. So on a special order, you can add a screen if you want to use the door to vent the house. Okay, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next door. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the Sunset double flat showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@PINKYS irondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.